Okay, it's time for another edition of Pidgin English Math Professor. Today we're going to talk about square root. Look, I'm going to make one square root right there. You see this thing right here? You see this thing right here? You see this thing right here? This thing right here? You see this thing right here? This is the square root symbol. You see this thing right here? This is the one tell you make them into one square. So look, if I take one, put them inside the square root. Well, you can see what you put them inside here, and you take the square root of 1. What you get? 1. Try to look them. Square root. The root. What is the root? The root is 1. That's 1 right there. See that? Square root. Try to look them again. Go back on square. Can see? It's on square right there. Okay, you see the square? You look at the root. The bottom part right there. Sabi? The bottom part. Okay. Square root. Spark up. 2. Right? The whole thing is 4, but the square root is 2. Square root 4. 2. 9. 9 is also one square number. Look up. Okay. See that? Square. What is the root? What is the bottom part? The bottom part is 3. Square root 9. 3. Easy. Well, I think by now you catch on, eh? Sabi, eh? You sabi. Okay. Try look 16. The whole thing is 16. I make one square. I count the bottom. What is the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see them? See that? That's square root right there. Square root. You see the same? What the thing said? They already just tell you make them into one square, and then you just count one side. How easy is that? Nothing mystical about this kind of stuff. Okay, we'll skip up 100. Look, 100, because more easy for hold 100. 100 right here. You see them? Okay, so I give 100. 100 is one square number. I count the bottom, right? The root, the bottom. I make one side. Okay, look on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy, right? That's all I was doing. Square root. Square root. See that? Square root. That's all I was doing. We counted one side. Why this stuff hard? Not hard. Okay, that's it for this edition of Pidgin English Math Professor.